Hey guys, in today's video I want to make stew. So here is my tomatoes. This is blended tomatoes and pepper. So it's already cooking. Very soon I'm going to bring it down and fit. So here is my chicken. So I've already cooked it. You can see it. This is savage chicken. Then I have my pot to fry the stew. And here is my sliced onions. This is white onions, okay? Then I have my groundnut oil and other spices. Everything is ready, so let's fry the tomatoes. Okay guys, you see the tomatoes, I just poured it inside my filter and look at it. Look at the way it's bringing out water. So I'm going to leave it now at least for 15 to 20 minutes before I'll fry the tomatoes. So I normally use this method so that whenever I cook my stew, it will come out very well. Because here in Italy, these tomatoes, it don't look like the one we see in Africa. So this is how I use it. Before I fried my stew or tomatoes, I normally do it now. Now I'm going to add oil, my groundnut oil. Because the pot is hot. Okay. Add my groundnut oil. I'm going to leave it for about 5 to 8 minutes so that the oil will get hot before I pour in my onions. So guys, look at the water that is still coming out. You can see it. Oh my god, look at it. So whenever you do your tomatoes like this, if you fry it, you are going to see the difference. Okay, look at it, it's still bringing out water. See it. So I'm going to throw this one away now and put it back. So the oil is still on the gas. I'm going to leave it to hot a little bit. Okay guys, let's see if the oil is hot enough. First of all, I'm going to throw in onions. Okay, I think it's okay. Then pour in my onions. So guys, whenever you are frying your stew, don't use iron spoon to turn it. Make sure you have stick spoon. Okay, so you normally destroy your pot at home. That's the reason why I normally use stick spoon to turn it. Okay, so now we are going to leave the onions to stir for about 3 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, this is it. So I have watched some videos. I see that some people, they use bay leaf to cook stew. So I don't use bay leaf because I'm allergic to bay leaf. So right now I'm going to add some rosemary. You can see it. This was the one that I plucked in my garden some months ago. I dried them. This is fresh rosemary. Okay, then I stirred it a little bit. Now I'm going to add my blended tomatoes. I think it's enough like this. Then I add it. You can see it. So now turn it. Okay. You can see the tomatoes. So I'm going to leave it for some minutes. Then before I add in my bottled tomatoes, this one is just like tin tomatoes, okay? So I don't have the other tin tomatoes, so I'm going to use this one, okay? This is passata di pomodoro. So I'm just going to leave this one first, let it fry for some minutes before I add the bottled tomatoes. You can see the rosemary inside. Now you cover. Okay, scent. So I'm going to turn it. So now add in the bottled tomatoes. Because I want the stew to be plenty. Today is weekend, so that I'll still put some inside my freezer. Okay, you can see got the oil on top. Now I'll cover it. Remember, we just only added rosemary, okay? So cover it. Okay guys, you can see. Okay, so right now I'm going to put in the chicken. Look at the chicken. I'm going to put it. Ooh la la. Hey, see your cook. This is the chicken. You can see the legs. I like it too. You can see the head. It's your cook. So right now I'm going to add some spices. So this one is basilico. I'm going to add it. Not that much. Then I add paprika forte. Paprika. That's it. Then mix. That's it. Okay guys, let's check. Wow, now we are going to add in our chicken stock. Okay, see it. This one is star. I'm using star. Then I'm going to add a little bit of salt. Okay, let me add some salt. Then this one is aroma. This is Maggi. Let me add it so that we bring out the taste. Okay, turn it. This stew is so delicious, my people. Hey. What happened? Chinekele. Only chicken. Hey, I wanna go. Okay. Then after that, you covered it. Okay, guys, let's check our stew. Ooh. I'm still going to leave it. So I'm going to leave it so that it boils very well. cover. The taste, everything is okay. So I'm going to cover it and leave it to boil.
2,000 years later.
Okay guys, let's see our stew. Voila! Our stew is ready. Well cooked, delicious, and it's ready to go. So thank you all so much for watching. I hope you do enjoy this video. In case you do, please do not hesitate to give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you all so much. Till I come your way again. Bye.